Working on a Toyota Sequoia today with codes P0440, 0441, 0446. Our likely culprit is this valve right here, the vacuum switching valve, which allows the purge system to switch between venting different directions. So I've got three different evap valves. This one is off of a 2002 Tundra. This one is off the 2002 Sequoia, and this one is off a 1988 Toyota 4Runner. They all have the same plug design here, just slight variances in the fitting here, and then these two actually have a third vent. This one went to some sort of pressure sensor on the Tundra. This one just vented to air. So being a 12-volt solenoid valve, I've got a 12-volt M12 battery here. I'm just going to touch these two leads, and you should hear it click. And now the Sequoia one that was giving the trouble code, there's no click on this one. So it arcs, but there's no click. I've ohm tested them, and the Sequoia one tests to about 31 ohms, I believe it was, 31. And the Sequoia one tests to 40 ohms. The 4Runner one tests 36 ohms. It's all similar ballpark. So what's likely happening is this magnet in here is not shorted to ground or anything, but it's probably stuck. The valve, the solenoid valve is probably stuck open, and that's causing the trouble code.